12 easy crochet stitches without holes. The crochet star stitch, also provided by Crafting Happiness, is a beautiful and relatively easy 2-row repeat pattern, sometimes referred to as the daisy stitch. The crochet braided stitch, a free tutorial from Design Peak, guides crocheters on how to create a braided effect in their work. The crochet herringbone stitch tutorial, available from Siren's Crochet, demonstrates how to create this distinctive stitch. The crochet alpine stitch pattern for beginners, offered by Crafting Happiness, led by Ariana, is a textured 4-row repeat pattern that alternates front post double crochet stitches with single crochet rows, creating a defined diamond shape on one side. The Almond Ridges Crochet Stitch tutorial, presented by Heart Hook Home Run by Ashley, instructs on how to create a distinctive crochet stitch characterized by waves and ridges that appear like small almonds. The Crochet Nautical Baby Blanket is a free pattern offered by Annie Design, Crochet Carmen Heffernan, featuring a fresh navy and white color combination and a texture that evokes sea waves. The Bean Stitch, a free tutorial offered by Crochet and Create, is a fun, textured design that results in a thick Zorm fabric with a characteristic slanting or leaning appearance. The Linen Stitch by Cheryl Bennett of Crochet 365 Knit 2 is a versatile and easy-to-do crochet stitch that creates a fabric with a lot of body and a beautiful appearance. Crochet Thermal Stitch. This tutorial explains how to crochet the thermal stitch, a super dense and thick stitch that creates a double layer for extra sturdiness. The Celtic Weave Crochet Stitch, provided by CH knitting designer Anne, is an advanced crochet technique that creates a brilliant cable-like effect through its 2-row repeat, primarily utilizing front post and back post treble crochet stitches. This tutorial teaches how to crochet the textured spider stitch. It's described as a modern and stylish stitch, perfect for cozy blankets, scarves, shawls, and other similar projects. The Single Rib Stitch, as presented by Lindsay of Winding Road Crochet, is distinguished by its deep texture and wonderful amount of stretch. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.